These things are so weird.
Welcome to my wardrobe.
They're not even at all.
Slip a nip.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a get ready with me. I've just showered, washed my hair, and I was going to put on this face mask, which was kindly gifted from Dear Mumnet. They are on Instagram. I'll leave the link below. Never tried it before, don't know what it looks like, so I'm going to open it here. Okay, oh my god, it's like soaking wet. I've actually never put one of these on. Oh my god, how? Oh, I see. Okay, so there's eye holes. Oh. Oh my god. These things are so weird. God, it actually feels really nice. Oh, how have I never put one of these on before? Oh, should I put it on my brows? Probably not. Okay, that's better. Oh, I love it. It feels so nice. After 15 minutes, remove the sheet mask and gently pat the remaining essence onto your skin to aid absorption. Oh my god, that feels so nice. Oh, my face kind of feels warm. Is that normal? Oh, it's really wet. I don't know if you can see that. Pretty wet. Like, patting isn't going to cut that, I don't think. Maybe I just wait. Should I just wait and let it dry? Like, air dry? I feel like I want to dab it with a cotton wool pad or something. But I just feel like it's too much, you know? That would never dry. Just gonna gently dab. It feels amazing. It feels like really plump. Okay, I'm gonna stop touching my face. I haven't actually worn makeup for about 3 weeks, and we're doing a online Zoom for my friend's baby shower today. We're all dressing up, doing our hair and makeup. Still don't know what I'm gonna wear, so I'm gonna get in my wardrobe now and have a look on what to wear. And yeah, I will show you how I do my hair and makeup for a virtual baby shower.
So, welcome to my wardrobe. Half's mine, half's Joe's, as you can see. Not really sure whether I want to do dress or top. Do you know what? I've never worn this dress and I was going to wear it for my birthday. It's quite a low cut. It looks really crap on the hanger, but it's actually a very pretty dress. And it's got like leg slits at the bottom there. So I might wear that because I haven't worn it yet. Obviously, the tag's still on it. This top is very pretty and like baby showery is quite appropriate. Well, I know she's having a girl, so nice to wear something pink. Really weird, like having to think about what to wear. I've literally been living in my yoga pants and a grey t-shirt for like weeks on end. Okay, so I've dried my hair, just blow dried it with some heat protective spray. The first thing I'm going to do is just go in with a base of foundation. I don't normally wear foundation all over my face, but it is a special occasion today, so I'm going to make the effort. And of course, woke up with a little friend this morning because that's just how life goes. So I know some people put it on their hand, but I'm just going to put it straight onto the brush. Wow, I'm running low. Really low. I don't want loads anyway, to be honest, because... Okay. Just dab it everywhere first.
You try to hide behind your paper and your bed, but you...
What's everyone been doing in these lockdown days? Has anyone else got like proper dressed up for a virtual event? I know I've seen a few people on YouTube that have like proper dressed up for dinner with their partners, or obviously a lot of quiz nights have been happening. We've done a quiz night actually. I did one with my mum, one with some friends the other night. That was in my previous vlog. It's so fun actually because you feel like you spent an actual evening with friends, so that's nice. You can see that this is two very different colours, so I'm so pale. I need summer, I need some colour, 100%. Right, so when that's all done, I then like to go in again under my eyes, because mum life, we got them bags, you know? Just a little bit there, and in the corners of my nose. And I might just put a teeny bit on that little friend I have up there. Cool. So next thing I like to do is my eyebrows, so that I can just let all of that sort of do its thing, settle in. So I do like to just brush through them with a clear mascara. If I'm getting ready, I will actually fill them in. So I've got a Maybelline Tattoo Brow in the colour medium brown, 120. Right, I need a little mirror for this. You just brush upwards in the direction of your hairs. I mean, people that are watching this probably know more about eyebrows than I do. I know nothing about eyebrows really. This is looking really orange to me. It doesn't really look that orange. I don't think this is my shade anymore. Something's happened. Look how orange that looks. What the hell? Ooh. Hate it. I'm actually going to take that off because that is nasty. Okay, I'm just going to take it off with some micellar water and a cotton bud. Cool. Okay, right. Let's start again. It's HD Brows, the Vamp edition. Yeah, it's pretty worn out, but just brush through them first. Eyebrows are cousins, aren't they? They're not sisters, they're cousins, so they're never going to be identical. If anyone watches this, they're going to be like, what the flippin' heck are you doing with those brows, girl? And the truth is, I don't know. I have no freaking clue. I'm just going with it, you know? Oh my god, it's just horrendous. Oh my god, I actually look like a vampire. Maybe I should have just left them. Maybe I should have not bothered with the brows and just left them as is. Too late now. Okay, right, we're gonna leave it as is, and I'm just gonna brush through them with some clear mascara. I don't know, try and make that a little bit better. They're literally they're not even at all. Oh my god. I think when you do the rest of your makeup, it all comes together, doesn't it? A few hopes. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I'm not a beauty person. I don't have a fucking clue about makeup. So, eyeshadow. So I've had this Naked palette for maybe 10 years. Mirror smashed, I don't know when. I actually wear the Naked one the most. Sometimes Buck. So Buck and Naked are my favourite. I just really like brown shades. I think they make blue eyes pop. I think I'm gonna go in with Buck and just put that all over my lid.
You were there.
And I will just take that right into the crease. And then I just take the Naked colour on the tip of my finger and just brush that in there. And the reason I do that is because I don't actually have another eyeshadow brush, and if I use that for that, it's all going to get mixed up. So I just use my finger and yeah, brush it through like that. And then another finger for the colour Virgin, which is like an almost metallic-y colour, and just put that in the corners of my eyes. Same again on the other eye.
I don't know you, but I wanna turn the tide.
Okay, so I don't actually own bronzer or highlighter, so I won't be wearing any of that today. But next thing I'm going to do are my lashes. I just use the Maybelline Lash Multiplying Mascara. Probably one of my newest makeup items. So curl my lashes, mascara. I feel like I don't need to talk about putting mascara on because everyone knows how to put mascara on. So I think I'll probably just speed this bit up. So I got a little bit of mascara on the edge of my lash line, so just going in with a little bud to remove that, and then I'll just quickly just go over that with a eyeshadow brush. These brows are so bad, I'm so sorry. But I did warn you. Okay, blush, 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 blush. I think that's everything makeup wise. I feel like I need to do something more with these brows because they're not giving me the right vibes right now. I'm going to brush it through a little bit more. Oh, they'll do. They'll do. Anyway, that is the finished makeup look. And I may put some lipstick on when I'm dressed. It depends what I'm wearing, whether I'm going to wear a lipstick or not. But that's it. Makeup look done. Time to do the barnet. I'm going to do like mermaid waves, I think. And I do that with straighteners. First off, I'm just going to separate my hair to 2 sections and spray it with my CO5 heat protect spray. I did also spray my hair before I dried it with a hairdryer, but I just like to do it again, like for extra protection. Take a piece of hair about this much. I start at the top and I curl round, hold it for a sec, twist it back round, pull down slightly, hold it, twist it back round, pull down, twist it back round, pull down. You end up this like sort of mermaidy beachy wave. It's like a crimp wave, isn't it? It's crimp, that's the word I was looking for. And I know you can get crimping tools, but I haven't got one, so. And I saw someone do this on YouTube with straighteners and it turned out really well, so I think that works nicely with straighteners. So yeah, you literally just twist it back round on itself, pull down. The shorter your hair, the shorter the turns need to be. Because if you've got longer hair, you can like bring it down and make like longer waves, but because my hair's only like just below collarbone really, shorter turns seem to work better. It's just a little tip if anyone's got shorter hair. So yeah, that's what it's like. I think it's quite cute, quite pretty. This side's always a bit harder because it's like backwards for me, because obviously I'm right-handed and I don't really, sometimes I just find it really hard to work it out. Oh god. Yeah, I feel like that didn't turn out as well. Okay, I'm going to carry on with the rest of the hair. I'll speed this up. So yeah, this side definitely turned out better than this side. But that's okay, if that happens, you can literally just go over it one more time. Get a little bit slower. I mean, I personally find it a little bit harder to do this side because it just feels so backwards to me. I'm going to open the window. Okay, so I'm going to take the rest of my hair down and just half that again. God, I just wish I had curly hair naturally. Everyone always wants what they haven't got, don't they? Twist round, pull down. And also, I forgot to say, I never really take it all the way down to the ends. I normally leave it a little bit, otherwise it like flicks out and then it looks really weird. So I just leave that bit. Also, another tip when you're doing this, make sure you curl it away from your hair so that the hair comes away, otherwise it will look, do you know what I mean? Like it would go like that and it would just look weird. This bit didn't work out very well. That's okay. It's not the top layer. And I kind of don't really like to go over it too much because it like alters the curl and it sort of tends to look really shit. And obviously the more you go over the same hair, the more damaging it is. Right, so final layer, split it in half. Brush through, spray. And then I just split this bit in half as well. Just twist. So secure that there. We do these in 2 bits.
Meanwhile, you knew it all.
Okay, and then just bring the other bit down.
You knew it all. Well, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. I'm in the ward with the baby. You must not know about me. You must not know about me. I taste like whiskey.
Just separate it roughly down the middle.
Yada, yada, yada. I don't wanna bore you. I wanna bore into your powerful love like God and Corinth.
I am trying to grow my hair actually, which the more I think about it, I'm just mad because my baby yanks my hair out all the time. And then the last bit on that side. Cool. So when you're happy with it, like obviously you can add more curls if you need. You see bits that you want to add more to. I feel like this side is way more defined than this side, but I kind of like it not looking too formed, you know? I kind of like looking a bit more natural. I might just add a bit here. So yeah, you just tweak it, stick my head upside down and shake it a little bit. That's the finished look of how I get my mermaid, wavy, beachy look. It's pretty standard makeup. I put a little bit of eyeshadow on, but nothing major. If you like this look and want to see more, let me know, because this is the first time I've actually done a video of this style. I've only been doing vlogs really, so if you guys are interested in more get ready with me's and makeup tutorials and hair tutorials, then let me know and I might start making some more, because it'd be interesting to know what you guys actually want to see. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Give it a like, please subscribe if you're new. It really means a lot to me if you subscribe. And yeah, okay, I'm dressed now. I'll show you what I'm wearing in a sec, but I just thought I'd show you these earrings. They're so pretty. They're different on both sides, but yeah, they're just so lovely. Moon and stars. I'll have to double check where they're from, so I can't remember. But yeah, I'm gonna wear these, and I think I want to wear a necklace. Do I want to wear? Oh, I might wear this gold and silver one. This was a gift from my dad. It's 2 rings, and the big ring has got my name engraved around the edge, and the little one was silver and it's really discoloured. I need to get it cleaned. Basically it's got Noah's name engraved in this. Where is it? You see that? See, Noah's in there. I'm in the big one. I think I'm gonna go for a slightly reddish lip as well. Maybe not like proper red, but just a little bit of colour. But yes, that's me ready for the baby shower. I'll show you the full outfit in a sec. See what I mean about it being really booby, like it's proper low cut. But it's a really pretty dress. Yeah, and it's got like leg slits here. So yeah, and it buttons all the way down. Noah's banging on the table in the lounge. So yeah, I think I will wear this. I'm not really gonna have much chance to slip a nip. I'm just sat down the whole time on Zoom. I ended up putting on a Chanel lipstick in the end. Yeah, it's just a nice little dusty pink. I thought it went well with like the rose gold and stuff. So yeah, it feels so nice to get dressed up, even though I'm not going anywhere. It's just so nice to like make the effort. I hope you're all having a lovely weekend, even though actually when this goes up it probably won't be the weekend anymore. So hope you're having a lovely day, whatever day it is, and I'll see you in my next one.